Hi beauties! Welcome back to my channel. I'm so very excited for today because I've got the NIKKIE Tutorials palettes and we are going to test this one out. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the box where it came in. And this is the palette. I am super excited because the colors inside of this palette are so stunning. Yeah, we've got the happy side and we've got the dark side of NIKKIE. No, I like both sides too. The colors are very vibrant and full. Yeah, the shimmers are so gorgeous in the pan. If I move it around, you can see the reflection of the lights in it, and it's so super pretty. I can't wait to use it. As you can see, I already did my base, my brows and everything, as well as my eyeshadow base. That's always the P. Louise base. This time I got Rumor 1 because I wanted a little bit lighter because of the vibrant colors that I'm going to use. First we're going in with the color Basic Trut. Yes. Then my Dutch really shows. You have to roll the R in Trut. Okay, it is very light, but as a setting color for my eyeshadow base, it's perfect. Chew. Okay, I know what I'm doing. I'm doing two eyes. Yeah. So for this eye, I'm going in with the dark side. Yeah. So we are going to use Mila. Put that on the outer side, outer corner. I'm just going to swipe that up. We can take it up a little bit more. Oh, the pigment is very pretty. It is nicely blendable. Yeah, I really like this color so far. Then I'm going in with 5 AM. You really don't need much of the colors, so be careful. And I'm just going to blend that in over there. They really blend very nicely. I'm not sure yet which color I'm going to use next because we've got Slasher. It's nice plump, purpley plump. Then we've got Mikai. It's red. Then we've got Ew, green, because that's her favorite color, as we all know. And we've got Amsterdam, and that one is blue. Okay, I'm going in with Slasher. That's the purple one. And I just want to put that there. Okay, I'm building it up very slowly because the colors are intense. I like intense colors, but if you are going in too wild with it, then you've got a big problem. Okay, I'm just pressing it down because I want more pigment of this color over here. And I'm blending it a little bit up. Just going to put a little bit of Mila on top, just to blend it out. And it's easier to blend now because Mila is underneath that. Okay, then I'm going in with the color Mikai. So help me God, I hope this is a good choice. And it's red. Just take it easy. Because what I said, they are very pigmented and I would hate to ruin the look. Let's see, because this is a normal mirror. Yeah, this is the magnifying mirror. And I just want to get it a little bit more up close. Okay, then we've got some shimmers left, and my eye is drawn to Underground. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Okay, going further with the brush. It's very creamy. Okay, I didn't lie. This one is really better applied with your finger than with the brush. And then I'm going to apply the red. I'm going to mix it with Slayer. And then 5 AM underneath it. I'm going to use a black pencil. This is by Makeup Studio, the crayon Kohl, just in black. We're going to put it on the waterline there, but we're taking him also up there. I'm back. This is the finished look for my right eye. It's more dark. You can wear it to yeah, Christmas parties or Halloween. It's just what suits you. So then we are shifting into her happy side, or just bubbly side. I don't know how we are going to call it, but I think it's happy. For the happy side, I'm just going to begin with Summer, just a peach color. Just going to start here. Ooh, I like this color. It's so sweet. Reminds me of candy. Then Blend and Snap. It's more of a heart pink. I'm going to blend that underneath that. Back in with Summer, just to infuse it a little bit more, because I'm really digging this color. I think it's so pretty. Then I just want to give this more the bright pink color. I'm just going to back that on there. I'm just going up and blend that all together. Okay, just a little bit more of Blend and Snap, because I want it on my eyelid like this. Not the whole entire eyelid, but a lot. We're going in with the P. Louise base, Rumor 1, because it's nice and light. It's always nerve-wracking, this part. So then I'm going in with those leftovers on my brush with the Blend and Snip. I want a little bit of the Summer back, because it's fading away. I think I'm going in with Fla. I'm going in with Fla. Yes, if I say that, I'm thinking about a dessert that we have, and it's called Fla. But Fla is yellow, and this is really bright as yellow. Okay, so There it goes. Ooh. I'm so very scared. Ooh, I really like this yellow. So, and then in the middle part, I want to use a shimmer. I'm going for Pride. Then again, we're going in with the finger. You can see how pretty this is. I'm going to tap that here in the center. So this is really light and vibrant, and this is really dark. And it shouts, I'm a witch. And I am a witch. That you know. Let's see, we've got Ivy. And Ivy is a very light white, icy, metallic. And I want to use it in my inner corner. And then we've got Plot Twist left in here, Untouched and Redemption. And I think Redemption is better on the underneath the eye. It's a bright orange. People who know me very well, I don't like orange. It's just my most hated color. But this one suits the look very well. That is it for the eyeshadow. So we are going further in with a eye pencil. This one is brand new. It's by LA Girl. So I'm just going to put some lashes on and I'll be right back. So these are the two finished looks. This one is from the bright side and this one is from the dark side. As you can see, bright, dark. Actually, I have to hold it upside down so it matches with my eyes, but hey, what the heck. This palette is very pretty, very beautiful, very blendable. I didn't have that much fallout. It works creamy, it does what I want. Only with the metallic colors I had a problem with the brushes because they are applicable with a brush, but not my brush. They didn't pick up as much as that I needed. And when I do and I put it on my eyelid, it goes down on my cheek and it's everywhere. That's a little downside, but if you do it with your finger, then it goes on just super. You can see it. It performs pretty well. The yellow color, I don't like yellow, but this yellow color is just beaming. Love this palette and I'm going to use it even more now. So if you want to see other looks with this palette, just go to my Instagram. I will link it down below. And yeah, there you can follow me with other makeup looks as well. So this was the tutorial for today. If you follow me on this channel, thank you very much. If you're not, don't hesitate to click the subscribe button. And if you want the notification bell so you won't miss any of my other videos where I'm going to upload. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!